Hi viewers, this is Sai Krishna. You are watching Tech by Kittu. In this video, everything you need to know about the Realme X3 and X3 SuperZoom prices, specifications and sale date in India. Before watching the video, do subscribe our channel Tech by Kittu. Hey guys, Realme X3 and Realme X3 SuperZoom were launched in India on Thursday, touting flagship features at affordable prices. The smartphones succeed the Realme X2 and X2 Pro from the last year, while the Realme X3 SuperZoom was launched globally last month. The standard Realme X3 makes its global debut in India. Both the smartphones are similar in terms of design and hardware, with only minor differences with regards to the cameras and RAM options. First of all, we discuss the Realme X3 SuperZoom specifications. The Realme X3 SuperZoom sports a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a pill-shaped cutout for dual selfie cameras. It supports a 120Hz refresh rate, 480 nits peak brightness, 20:9 aspect ratio and 2.5D Gorilla Glass 5 protection on top. Under the hood, the Realme X3 SuperZoom is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset paired with the up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The phone houses a 4200 mAh large battery and supports 30 watts fast charging. Realme X3 SuperZoom features a quad camera setup that includes a 64 megapixel primary sensor, an 8 megapixel wide-angle lens, an 8 megapixel periscope lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens. The highlight of the periscope lens is that it supports up to 60x digital zoom. Up front side, the phone gets a 32 megapixel primary selfie camera and an 8 megapixel wide-angle camera lens. The cameras are backed by a Nightscape 4.0 mode that includes the new Starry mode features that takes 10 long exposure shots, brightens the stars, removes tracks or moving objects and reduces noise to capture at the night. The Realme X3 SuperZoom features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for security, face unlock and supports Dolby Atmos and DTS sound. There is a liquid cooling system that ensures the phone doesn't overheat while playing games. The phone is also equipped with a tactile motor to offer vibration feedback. With these flagship specifications, the Realme X3 SuperZoom announced. The next model, Realme X3. The regular Realme X3 is similar to the X3 SuperZoom in terms of specifications with some minor changes to the cameras and RAM and storage configuration. The Realme X3 also sports a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate and dual punch-hole cameras. It is also powered with a Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, which is paired with 6GB and 8GB RAM options. The quad camera setup on the backside includes a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide-angle camera lens and 2 megapixel macro lens. Instead of the 8 megapixel periscope lens, the Realme X3 gets an 8 megapixel telephoto lens that supports 20x zoom. On the front side, the 32 megapixel main camera has been downgraded to 16 megapixel. The standard Realme X3 also gets the same 4200 mAh battery and 30 watts fast charging support. Finally, we discuss the Realme X3 and X3 SuperZoom price and availability. The Realme X3 price in India is set at 24,999 rupees for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, while the 8GB and 128GB variant cost at 25,999 rupees. The Realme X3 SuperZoom, on the other hand, the price at 27,999 for the base 8GB RAM 128GB storage variant. The top end 12GB RAM 256GB storage option will set you back 32,999. Both handsets come in glazer blue and arctic white colors. First sale for both the smartphones in India will be on June 30th at 12 PM on realme.com Flipkart. The phones will be available via offline stores soon. These are the total specifications and price details of the Realme X3 SuperZoom and Realme X3. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. If you did not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.